Today we are headed to the municipality of Utuado. The town of Utuado is located in the heart of Puerto Rico, surrounded by majestic mountains and rich history. Known as the Ciudad del Valle, this municipality is a true gem of the island's central region. With breathtaking landscapes, deep cultural roots, and stunning natural wonders, Utuado is a must-visit destination for adventurers and history lovers alike. We hope you enjoy the sights and sounds of Utuado. One of Utuado's most significant historical sites is the Caguana Indigenous Ceremonial Park. It was once home to a thriving indigenous population. This sacred space, believed to date back over 800 years, was a central gathering place for the Taíno people. Here you can explore beautifully preserved petroglyphs, stone plazas, ceremonial ball courts that glimpse the island's indigenous heritage. Walking through Caguana, one can almost hear the echoes of the past telling the story of Puerto Rico's first inhabitants. The town's name originates from the Taino word Utuado, meaning between mountains. Founded in 1739, Utuado has played a significant role in Puerto Rico's history. Today, Utuado maintains its connection to the past while offering modern experiences, highlighting the region's beauty. For those seeking a peaceful retreat into nature, Lago dos Bocas is a perfect escape. This man-made reservoir, constructed in 1942, is a stunning location for boating, fishing, and dining at lakeside restaurants. Whether you're exploring the sacred grounds of Caguana, drifting across the waters of Lago dos Bocas, or simply taking in the breathtaking scenery, Utuado is a destination that leaves a lasting impression. So when you think of Puerto Rico, remember that beyond the beaches lies a world of hidden treasures waiting to be discovered.